dick, it's a big tall hill, big fat chest, big large bills, front out flip like 10 car wheels, cold ass bitch, I give raw chill, 10 different looks, and my looks so kill, I kiss him in the mouth.
Hey you guys, my name is Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I want to show y'all how I revived this three-year-old wig. Like, I had this wig since 2016 for sure. Well, I had this hair since 2016. I made the wig over like 2 or 3 times. I think it came out really good. The hair is still full, still bouncy and soft. So yeah, I want to show y'all how I revived this wig. If you'd like to see how I did it, and just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, this wig looks horrible. It's a mess, it's matted, it's tangled, but we about to get her all the way together. So first I start off by just washing the wig with this sulfate free L'Oreal Ever Pure shampoo. And I make sure I get a really good lather on that because I'm only going to shampoo it once. As you can see, or as you're about to see, I put a lot of shampoo on there because I really wanted to make sure this hair was squeaky clean. So yeah, I just made sure I got a really good lather, and then I put some shampoo on the lace because I really wanted to make sure that that got clean as well, to get all the gunk and got to be glued and whatever else was in there out. And also, when you wash your wigs, make sure you flip them inside out to get the cap, because you know that's dirty also. So I made sure I washed that really well with shampoo as well. And then I went in with this Curl Girl deep moisturizing mask to condition, and this stuff works amazing for my natural hair. So I thought it would work amazing for this wig, and of course it did. Then I went ahead and put it in a plastic bag and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. I think I let that sit in that plastic bag for about an hour. And here's how the hair dried. So I was about to do just a talk through on this part, but I decided not to. So that's why I'm talking in the video. So yeah, I'm just going to put on my wig cap and go ahead and put the wig on. Oh my gosh. You can probably see the old part, so I had to go ahead and try to make a new one. And it didn't take much. I just used a little bit of water, used the rat tail comb, and then I'm clipping it back so I can go ahead and apply the Got To Be Glued and the Got To Be Glued spray. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pull the wig forward and take my comb to press it in. I try not to put my hands on it too much because I don't want it to turn white, so I make sure I use the comb. And then I just go ahead and define my part a little bit more before using my wand curl to try and press out the lumps and bumps in the top. So after tying my hair down, I went ahead and used the Conair Infinity Wand Curler to curl my hair. As you can see, or as you're about to see, I took too big of a section and it came out horribly. So I had to go ahead, stop being lazy, and use smaller section, and it worked out perfectly after that. So I'm back I had to do my makeup after I finished curling my hair. Let's go ahead and take it down. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look of how I revived my 3-year-old wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. This hair is so bouncy. I really love it, and I still love this wig. That's why I did want to revive it, because I still wanted to wear it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs it up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.